What's going on, losers? We'll see if I can get this deck lid open on the Camaro. So I think it was 2 summers ago, the electric pull down, something broke in it, and I wasn't home and had to tie the deck lid down with a piece of speaker wire. So I came home and messed with it. Let's see if it'll open. It's the first time it's been open since. Came home and messed with it, and there's a plastic bushing, if I remember right, that had just fallen apart. Yeah, so here they are. This one, where's it at? There it is. Yeah, so there's plastic bushings in there. They have just fallen apart, letting this move. So this was no longer catching the way it was supposed to, and I wouldn't shut. I was hoping for an easy fix, but that looks like it's going to need some parts. Okay, so I was hoping for a simple fix, but it didn't work out, so I think I'm just going to sit in here and listen to the exhaust. Look at that oil pressure. It just sounds so good. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it didn't work out the way I planned with fixing the hatch, but at least you got to hear some sweet exhaust notes.